Oh, hello there. So we are back with Google Sheets plugin. So now I'm going to show you how to get details of a spreadsheet and the values of that spreadsheet. So in order to get the details and the values of a spreadsheet, you need the ID. So I'll take the ID of this spreadsheet from the URL. Then I'll go to the demo. So here, first I'll get the details of the spreadsheet. So if I paste the ID here, as you can see here, it will show the details of the sheets available in the spreadsheet. For example, first is the sheet 1, which is the ID as 0 and the row and column count. So if I create one more sheet here below, it will show that here as well. Then this is the sheet URL. So now I'm going to fetch the values of the spreadsheet. So if I paste the ID here, as you can see, these are the values that I've fetched. And if I go to the sheet here, you can see it's the same. So now I go to the editor where I'll show you what's happening behind the scenes. So this is the list of sheets where I have used API called get spreadsheet, where I'm pasting the spreadsheet ID and the token. And from this API, I'll get the details such as the sheet, number of sheets, then the URL of the spreadsheet. Then I'm going to go to the here repeating group to get the values. So this is the API called get batch values, where it needs the ID of the spreadsheet, then the token and the range from where I'm getting the value. So in this case, it's A1 to Fi, then the major dimension, which is column. So this is how I'm getting the spreadsheet details and the values. Thank you.